System. I'm going to check the air pressure on my forks today, make sure they're set properly according to the factory spec. And also today, I'm going to be, since I've got the gas tank off, I'm going to be in there and retorquing the head bolts. Just to make, that's one thing I do on all my vintage bikes, and that will help prevent things like your base gasket and your head gasket from leaking over time. I have lubricated the clutch cable completely. I have pulled out the clutch rod shaft and lubricated that and put everything back together. The action is freer, but I do have a new clutch cable on order, so I'll install that when I get it. Today I'm also going to be looking to rebuild the fuel petcock in the gas tank, and I know I've gone over it before probably, but I've got a new fuel filter on order as well. I also, on day 2, finished up the air box. I've got the air filter properly held in place now, where it's actually doing some good. It was just laying in the bottom of the air box previously. So once I get some of these items addressed, I will look to take the bike on a little bit longer ride. As of yet, I've only driven the bike maybe a total of a mile, and it ran crappy, but the longer I ran it, the better it seemed to run. So I will, like I say, once I have a few of these things done today, I'm going to start putting the bike back together and getting it such that I can get it out on the road safely and just do some more riding and see where we're at with the project. If I need to put a new clutch in it, I can do that, but until the engine is really running smoothly and running nicely and like I should, I don't want to invest more money than I need to in it. I'm trying to keep my investment minimal at this point until I have everything dialed in with that. So I will keep you informed on the project here, but that kind of wraps up where I am on day 2 and starting into day 3 of the project. We are going to be retorquing the head bolts in the sequence shown in this diagram. Okay, here's a fuel petcock, and you can see in here it's got some residue from the tank in there. There's a little bit of lining residue, there's a little bit of rust in there, and what it's causing is I can't move this. This is locked up. It won't turn to either off or reserve, and so what I'm going to do is take it apart and clean it out. have a functioning fuel petcock. It's clean, works like it should, and we will install it back on the bike.